Hey everyone, today I want to share with you an incredibly simple recipe for cooking chicken breast or whole chicken. The recipe is very easy, but it requires a little time for preparation. The ingredients are chicken breast or whole chicken, water, salt, approximately 2% of the total weight of the water and chicken. We will need to place the chicken in a container, pour in enough water to fully cover the chicken, weight it, and add salt at a ratio of 2% of the total weight of the water and chicken. Leave it in this brine solution for 24 hours. This process makes the meat incredibly juicy. Let's move on to the grill preparation. Light the charcoal and let it heat up properly. Then clean the grill grate from any food residues. Then arrange a charcoal on the side of the grill while the meat will be placed on the opposite side, in the indirect heat zone. Take the chicken out of the brine and pat it dry thoroughly with paper towels. If desired, season it with spices. I experimented by cooking 2 breasts without seasoning and 1 with spices. Both options turned out great. When it's done, place the chicken on the grill grate in the indirect heat zone. Close the grill and forget about the meat for about 2 hours. All we need to do is wait until the internal temperature reaches 70 degrees Celsius. To add some extra flavor, you can lightly smoke the meat. Add fruitwood chips to the charcoal. To prevent the chips from burning too quickly, wrap them in foil, poke a few holes, and place them on the coals. You'll see this later in the video. Close the grill, and the wood chips will slowly burn, giving the meat a delicious smoky aroma. Once the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 70 degrees Celsius, take it off the grill and enjoy. This chicken is perfect both hot and cold. You can use it for sandwiches, salads, or just eat as is. Inspired by this method of cooking chicken breast and amazed by the incredible taste and juiciness of the meat, next day I decided to try the same approach with a whole chicken. I marinated whole chickens in a salt brine for 24 hours and then, following the same instructions, I placed them on the grill grate. After waiting for the meat to cook and reach an internal temperature of 70 degrees Celsius, I removed the chicken from the grill and confirmed this method works perfectly. The meat turned out to be incredibly delicious, both hot and cold. Friends, give it a try, experiment, make it even better, and share your thoughts. Subscribe to the channel and see you soon. Wishing you all the best.